Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clear browsing data in Arc. That is how we can clear cache or cookies, etc. So the first thing that we can do is go to the Site Control Center, which is at the top next to the address over here. Then we need to click on these three dots, and then we have clear cache, clear cookies, and so on and so forth. Another thing that we can do is go to the top left corner and click on the Arc icon. Now let's go to the settings, and then in the settings we need to choose our profile. In my case it is the default profile. And finally over here at the bottom we have clear browsing data. If you click on it, then you will open this page that resembles the settings in Chrome, and we can just go to clear browsing data over here, and then we can decide the time rate. We can also go to all time. We can switch to advanced if you want to remove something more. And then we need to press the clear data button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.